My first guest is Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kamal Nath. Mr. Kamal Nath, is this merely a political theatre with the Samajwadi Party that is being played out just for public consumption right now?
It's not political theatre, but it's pure politics. Because we must understand what is this FDI policy. This FDI policy is a policy which enables the states to avail of it. Now here we have a state of Kerala, which has said we don't want it. We've got UP which says it doesn't want it. Now in Kerala, we have our Congress MPs. They don't want FDI in retail, but they're not going to start voting with the BJP on this. They're not going to be voting against the motion because they've said we are not having it in our states. And if anything is left after that, is pure politics. To be discussing an issue which the Lok Sabha or the central government has no control of.
But even in politics, there has to be consistency.
Understand what is this FDI policy and what are we debating.
But even in politics, there has to be consistency.
It really should be held in the state assemblies. That whether they want it in the state or they don't want it in the state. In Lok Sabha, we cannot discuss that. So it is purely politics that this motion has been brought in to be able to say that this is a wrong policy. It is a wrong policy or a right policy is for the state governments to decide, which we have allowed them to do so.
So I respectfully disagree with you on one premise that there is no underlying argument that in politics one has to be either insincere or inconsistent. My second straight question to you is, have you struck the deal with Mulayam Singh Yadav that they will oppose FDI but abstain from voting? That deal has been struck, so why the play acting, Mr. Kamal Nath?
No, we have no political equation with the SP. The SP has said in their state they don't want it.
Sir.
Now, having said that, what will they discuss and what will they vote? They're not going to vote here whether they're going to have it in their states. The question is whether they'll go along or not go along with the politics of this. That is the point to be understood.
Sir, the debate in Parliament, once again I disagree, is not about what happens in the states. It's about whether or not this matter needs the clearance of Parliament. So it is at a national level. You're also striking a deal with Mayawati. What is your position on her demand that she wants government, she wants quotas for government promotions? You've struck a deal with her on that as well?
Well, it's listed in the business for Rajya Sabha. And
no, but she's putting the pressure on that as well.
Now that Rajya Sabha will function. As soon as the business is taken up, we will, it's for all political parties, it's a constitutional amendment bill. It's not a bill which can just be decided by a simple majority. And it was introduced in the Rajya Sabha in the last session. And it was decided by all political parties that it need not go to any committee. So that's where it stands. As soon as Rajya Sabha starts functioning, they'll take it up.
No, what happens if you lose the vote in the Rajya Sabha? You don't have the numbers in the Rajya Sabha. You're behind the NDA in the Rajya Sabha.
See, why should we say if?
But it's a very likely if. It's a possible if.
Well, I said that whether the parties will go for the politics of it or the substantive part of it. They say we don't want FDI. My simple answer is don't have it.
No, that's not the...
And let your state governments decide.
Sorry.
I gave you the classic example of Kerala, where the state government has announced, which is a Congress government, that we do not want it. Now the Congress MPs are not going to say that we are going to decide this in the floor of the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha.
So as far as...
So they will vote against the politics of this.
So as far as Kerala is concerned, you are turning a necessity into some kind of a virtue. The fact is your state unit is not going with you. That's the real story. Now, I'm asking you one last time. If you lose the vote in the Rajya Sabha, will it force the government to reconsider its position on FDI?
I am not considering this scenario at all. Because I think what should be thrown out is the politics of this. The substantive part of it is decided in the states. It should be discussed in the state assemblies whether they want it or they don't want it. And the politics of it, I think, should be the main issue, because that really is the issue. What else is the issue?
Well, that is the issue, but you're talking so much about the politics of it. I wish you had revealed the real political story is that you have struck a deal with Mulayam. We'll wait 5 days to confirm our suspicions on that story. Kamal Nath, Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister, thank you very much for being my guest on the News Hour Direct.